The Fed says the case for a rate hike has continued to strengthen. Joining us now right after the decision is Frank Holmes, CEO of U.S. Global Investors. Frank, good to see you again.
It's good to be back.
So any surprises here, Frank?
Not really, Daniela. It's because PMIs are very strong. The PMI, which we've commented so many times on your program, is a great precursor to demand for commodities. They're stronger in Europe. They're much stronger in the UK. They're stronger to China. So this is all very healthy for the commodity market as a whole and better for global trade.
And gold was showing tremendous strength ahead of the decision, Frank, pushing above 1,300. What can we expect from the metal going forward now?
Well, last time we spoke, I talked about the seasonality of gold, and it's a very powerful 30 years of data points, and that gold has this big surge in September, rolls over in October, and starts climbing back in November for the season of lights, the Diwali season in India. Then we're going to have Christmas and then Chinese New Year. So it's right on course. And what's adding the sentiment and the drama is the Hillary Clinton election debate. It really moves markets around with words, but really I think this 30-year seasonal pattern is more significant.
Right, and now that the Fed decision is behind gold, is its next vision just the U.S. election? Does it just need to pass here, Frank?
I think so, and I think we get on that the economy, how it's doing with the dollar, and there'll be that other factors that come in, but it's still pretty fragile. The fiscal policies of so many countries around the world are not into aggressive economic stimulation except for cheap debt, which is piling up, and down the road will always come back to be a big beneficiary to gold investors.
Frank, I know you also just came back from a trip in Japan. Anything strike you there?
Yeah, it's just incredible that they're embracing and changing their policies. Now that's smart fiscal policy, changing the rules to have the best intellectual capital of Canada come in to explore and develop resources from old high-grade gold mines. I think they're smart what they're doing, and there's lots of opportunity in Japan. And this weekend I'm off to Australia, just speaking at Mines and Money in Melbourne. And those Australian gold stocks, they continue to be on a very robust tear.
All right, finally, with the Fed decision behind us, what do you think will be gold's touchdown pass for the rest of the week, Frank?
Friday, jobs. It's only one more time after this before the decision. So I think everyone will be focused on jobs.
All right, Frank Holmes, thanks so much for joining us.
Happy investing.
And thanks for watching this edition of Kitco's Gold Report. We'll see you tomorrow.